Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Ipsy went ahead and sent over their September Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, so I'm going to be unboxing those today. And this month's theme is back to school, work, life. So whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting, or wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. So that's the theme for this month's Ipsy box. So we have the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, so I'm going to be unboxing both of them today. So we'll start off with the Glam Bag. This is the bag it comes in for this month, and I really like the design, the plaid design and the pleather cover. This is what the back looks like. And if you don't know, the Glam Bag is $12 a month and it comes with 5 sample sizes. So the first thing we have are these 2 face masks. This one is for moisturizing and this one is for soothing and softening. So these are the 2 masks we have for one of the samples. The next item is this Tasha cleanser, and it's in the rice wash, and I've seen a lot of good things about Tasha. I've never actually had anything from them, but I'm super excited to try this out. The next item is the scalp scrub, and it's from Nature Lab. It does smell really good, so I'm super excited to try this one as well. The fourth item we have is this Benefit mascara called Bad Gal Bang, and I am wearing the mascara right now. I do like this mascara more than the one that was in the last month's bag. If you haven't checked out last month's Ipsy unboxing, go ahead and check it out right here, or it should be right here. And the last item is this Anastasia lipstick in the shade Dead Roses, and it's the one I'm currently wearing. So those were the 5 products in the Glam Bag. Next up we have the Glam Bag Plus, and it comes in this really pretty bag. I love the print and design on this one, and I just love how you can reuse all the packaging. Glam Bag Plus has 5 full-size products and is at $25 a month. Each bag has a value of $120 or more. So the first thing we have is this Up Circle face scrub. So I'm really excited to try this one out, and this one is valued at $16. The next item we have is this clay mask, and it's by this brand. So I'm definitely excited to have a relaxation night where I get to try out all these masks, and this one is valued at $20. This third item I'm super excited about. It's an Il Makiage eyeshadow quad in the color palette The Real Deal, but the packaging and quality of this palette is really beautiful. And these are the colors. So we have 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. I love this beautiful rosy color, and the value of this product is at $36. And the fourth item we have is this eyeliner from this brand. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm super excited to try out this product. And the eyeliner is valued at $18. And the last item we have is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I'm definitely super excited to try out this product. It visibly brightens the appearance of dark circles and discolorations, instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. This one sounds really amazing, so I'm really excited to try this one out. It's valued at $85 for the 30mm. So this is everything that came in the Glam Bag Plus, and everything was at a total value of $175. So definitely good value for this box. So that was everything in the Glam Bag Plus. I absolutely loved everything that was in the Glam Bag Plus. It has a good combination of makeup and skincare. Let me know which item was your favorite from the unboxing down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!